Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D model out of the 2D drawing in Allplan. So for this example I created a simple 2D drawing of a precast lid with an opening. To create a 3D model and continue with a reinforcement, we have to create a 3D out of this 2D drawing. And this can be done in many different ways, and I'm going to show you two different options today. So we start with a 3D line, which you can find it in the modeling tab. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create half of this section. So I'll start in the middle point and I will go around and finish the same middle point. As soon as I finished, you can already see, because it's a 3D line, it also can be presented in the animation window. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this 3D line away from my 2D drawing, and I'm going to rotate this 3D element. For the rotation, I'll just create an axis and I'll rotate it by 90 degrees. Now I can see my half of the cross section in the animation window, and now we have two options how to create a 3D model. One is revolve, select the elements, and then I create an X. So one X is here and the other one is going to be straight up or down beneath the element. Press escape and here you go. This is my lid. The other option, which is pretty similar, just gonna move this section, is by creating by extruding along the path. For that I need to first create a 3D circle. And for this circle it's really important that it meets with the point where we're going to be rotating it. So I'm just going to move it up to the top point. The important thing is that the path, in this case the 3D circle, and our section have a join point. Now I use the command extrude along the path. I select the section, create a path, press escape, and similar to the previous one, we have a nice round lid. With extrude along the path, we can create a simple 3D line, 2D line, and we can also create more complicated SP line in a 3D world, in which then the selected surface or selected 3D entity can be extruded, and we can come up with a very interesting shapes. To finish this, I'm gonna create an opening which is a diameter of 1000 mil. The easiest way how to do that is creating a cylinder, which I will place in the middle. And use the radius of 500. Now we're going to use the height, which is irrelevant in this case. It just needs to be higher than the element itself. The important thing is for the next operation that the lid and the opening, which is so far it's just a cylinder, are overlapping. Then I'm going to use the command subtract and remove solid, and in this case it is important which element do I select first. So I'm going to select the lid first, cylinder second, confirm it with OK, and we have a nice round opening. Similar, we can do an opening as a box in the second one. I'm going to use it based on the center. And create a rectangle 1 meter by 1 meter. And again, we have to put the height, which again I'm going to just use the 2 meter one. Here we have our box. Always double check that the box overlaps the original element, and using the same subtract and remove solid command. And here we have rectangular opening. The 2D, 3D line which I used for a section can then be moved away, and the openings can be moved around if you maybe want to have it on the other side. With these 3D models, we are now ready to create the sections and follow with the reinforcements in the next lesson. Thank you.